Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Premier Protein 30 grams protein shake cookies cream 11.5 fluid ounces shake. 12 count. They also work great if you're having a sweet tooth and don't want to cheat. The cookies and cream one is great for that. Tastes great in coffee too. There are some clumps in there sometimes, but that is expected with this kind of product. Best pre-mix protein shake on the market. My favorite flavors are caramel and chocolate, but all of the flavors are pretty good. This 2 cartons were smashed and the bottoms of each bottle was smashed so that they have to be stored on their side since they cannot stand upright on a shelf. These shakes are great. They real little sweet, but they don't taste too grainy like most of the other brands. If you put some seltzer into the chocolate one and mix it up, it tastes almost like an egg cream. As they had told me, the chocolate flavor is great and it's nice knowing that they are healthy and full of protein. No chalky taste, and apparently our bariatric surgeons recommend these to their post-op patients since they have such a great nutritional benefit. Love the price, much cheaper than the ones at my local grocery store, and the expiration date is in Sept 2018. Sure, you could mix your own for a lot cheaper, but if you want the convenience, then you gotta pay for it. This stuff is great. Not only is it acutely affordable, but it tastes so good. It's not overly sweet or taste like chemicals. Some people say this doesn't taste great, but honestly, if you want great tasting, go get a 700-calorie milkshake. The chocolatey taste isn't too strong and doesn't taste like a nasty protein shake with a chalky aftertaste. My only problem was that the box was dented when it arrived and it made some of the other bottles dented. My father-in-law has been drinking these recently and is very pleased with the taste. In fact, he is getting triple the amount of protein that he was from Ensure. My favorite protein shake tastes great. Doesn't bother my stomach and doesn't have the high calories or sugar a lot of protein shakes do. Easy to take on the go. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.